Namaskar, sisters and brothers. I have some more questions for you. I hoped you enjoyed yesterday's and had an opportunity of brooding over it. I think at times questions like those can take a lifetime to grasp and understand. We are not seeking for any verbal answers. See if your heart is satisfied with such paradox. Now, I'd like to put before you some questions regarding our own practice. And these are basically arising out of the process of cleaning. How cleaning is so important for us. It's a fundamental thing. In order for me to be a new individual, I have to destroy my old edifice. I must destroy my old beliefs. I must destroy my old demons, old samskaras in sort. If I want to paint 1,000-year-old temple, how would I paint that temple? There are cracks everywhere. Stones are missing. How will you paint such a temple? When man is finished by his own character, when his own morality is being questioned by himself, when he is not able to make peace within himself, and wants to change oneself once and for all, how long will you paint yourself externally? How will you pretend? How long can you pretend with whitewash? Are we here for that? Nature doesn't want such unwilling participants. Nature wants willing participants who can make a difference, who cries out and says to God, please help me, I would like to change myself. Then change is possible. But pretending that you are the best, you are a saintly person, you can do no wrong, you are holier than the rest, then how will you change? Everybody else seems to be lower than you. How will you change? The others who are so low will change and become, the God's cynosure. Well, anyway, I have some questions I wrote down. Number one, this is based on the condition Babuji Sahib describes as living dead condition. I don't know how many of you are familiar with such a state, spiritual condition, living dead condition. In a way, it's a condition where one do not react at all. You become non-reactionary. There is no emotional baggage with every act and thought. Living dead means person who is dead to the world. It's not that he has died and he has no interest in life. He is very much interested in life. But whatsoever happens in his life, he accepts it cheerfully. Just as Babuji gives the example that dead man in the hands of a dresser. The dead man does not complain what clothes you will put on that person. Whether you have given them a final bath or not, it does not care. It's not cognizant anyway. So we have to become at that level so non-reactive. When we become living dead, when we have such a condition, would cleaning be needed for such a person? Okay. Second, would you paint your old house, which is 500 years old, which has cracks at every inch? Number three, what if your all memories were coming along with new birth? Will you be able to continue as a new individual? Number 4, How can you face the great master with old edifice we cherish so much? In short, we cannot have our old traits living with us, becoming part of us, and present ourselves before Master. Many years back, sometime in 92 or 93, I was asked to give a talk. Just 5 minutes before the satsang started, one volunteer came and says, Master would like you to come to the stage and give a talk. I was quite nervous about giving a talk in Bandaras, and that too in front of Master. The whole meditation was spoiled because I was thinking what to speak. There were no thoughts coming at all. Then slowly, towards the end of meditation, some idea emerged. Since it was Babuji's birthday, we all like to give gifts to the great master, especially on birthdays. So when we ponder our gift idea, what can we give to the master who is the giver? Would shirt be enough? Would some money be given to him? Is love enough? Is the giver of love? What can we give him after all? Then the idea emerged that the only gift that we can give to our master, a real gift, a true gift that can move his heart, is our transformed self. Even little bit of change that we can bring about consciously with our willpower, with our efforts, will go a long way. And always remember this sentence, one step towards a goal, and goal moves miles towards us. Thank you all.